Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sadhu Hussain here, and today I am talking you through a simple but super satisfying task, which is washing machine and washing my clothes with the help of my Singer washing machine. If you love chill, productive vibes, or just want to see this machine in action, so stick around with me. Okay. First of all, first of all, I will switch on the water's tap and put off my all clothes into it. Okay, step by step I will show it. All my t-shirts, bed sheets, and all my clothes I put down to it. Okay. All right, so here's the pile of laundry I need to tackle today. Mostly casuals, some jeans wear, and dirty clothes. Now, okay, time to load everything. One thing I really like about the Singer washing machine is the spacious drum. It fits a decent amount of clothes, so I don't need to do multiple rounds. Okay, adding some detergent and adjusting. Okay, I am using some detergent powder, just the usual amount. Now let's select the right mode. Okay, I will show it. Now select the right mode, the switch. I am going with the normal wash cycle, simple, efficient, and gets the job done. Okay, I love about the machine is how quiet it is. You can hear it running. You can hear it is running. It is running, plus its energy is efficient, which is a big win, I think. Okay, my machine is running with a quantity of water, and after some time I will drain my washing machine switch. Okay, okay guys, now I will drain the dirty water by the switch on. Drain, it is wash and then it is drain. By the switch on, my whole dirty water will be drained. You can see this process. By seeing this process, you can learn how to operate a washing machine. Okay, keep watching how it will be drained by this process. Okay guys, all dirty water has been finished. Now I put the new water into it. Okay, the switch, I will switch this on and put some new water for washing these clothes. If I want adding more water, then I will switch the next one button or the second water's button. Then I can put many water into it. Okay, now we can see I can put much water in it. You can see this. By putting this new fresh water, I will wash my clothes very smoothly and very efficiently. Let's see, all the dirty water will be drained by this process, and by this process the whole clothes will be washed, and simultaneously the two processes are going on. The two processes are going on by this process. Simultaneously they are going on. Simultaneously washed, and simultaneously the whole dirty water will be drained. I think it's very important for us by saving our time. By save our time. Okay. Now I will put off the water. Switch off the water and switch off this water. Okay. Now all clothes will be washed by this process. You can see how it will going on. How it is going on. You can see this. Okay. Our whole clothes have been washed by this process. Our whole clothes have been washed by this process. Okay guys, now you can see my whole clothes have been washed by this process, and now I will put this washing clothes into my spin timer, which is very good one, and it will help to dry this clothes. Okay, step by step I will put into my spin timer, which will dry this clothes. Okay, first of one, my bed sheet, then my t-shirts, pants. Okay, it will dry out my all clothes when I will switch on this spin timer. Okay, all of the clothes into my spin timer, which will dry my all clothes. Okay, now I close this door carefully. Okay, I have closed this door. Now I will switch on this spin timer. Okay, let's go on. Start. Okay, it's keep running. You can see this. It has shaked. Okay. Okay guys, now you can see when this switch is coming at the 0 number, then the whole process have been done. Now you can see it has stopped. It's running. Then you will open this door and take off the all clothes, and you can see the all clothes have dried out. All clothes have dried. Okay, then you can hanger it. Okay guys, then you can hanger it of your rooftop, and by the sun heat it will be dried out completely. Okay, thank you guys for seeing this video, and if this video you like, then subscribe and like and comment to my channel. Okay, hopefully you have enjoyed my video. So till then, Allah Hafiz.